everybody, welcome back to Essence of the Keys. Today we are going to be doing some gnocchi. Stick around to the end, we got a special announcement to make. We're standing here in front of our travel wall. You can't hardly see it on the video. This is Essence of the Keys. This is a plaque I made that says Cade Mille Fauce, excuse me. That means 100,000 welcomes in the Irish language. Beer garden sign, and this, if anybody can tell me what this says, you're impressing me. Like I said, stick around to the end of the video. We've got an announcement to make. So today, I'm going to make gnocchi. This is a recipe that I worked on in Florida for quite a while. Can't get one of the key ingredients like we got in Florida. It was called Uncle John's Pride sausage. It was similar to this. It's a smoked sausage, but they had a spicy one that was just mwah. Glen Ellen loved it. I loved it. If you live in Florida and you can get it, if you was good people, you'd send it to us. Okay, so I've got a couple tablespoons of butter in the skillet here, getting melty and all good. And we have, this is called Rana. Let's see if this is in the shot. Rana skillet gnocchi. This stuff freezes really well too. You can use regular gnocchi. I have done it. The thing is, if you buy it from the store, sometimes it's been there for a while and it's kind of funky.
And that's located in the refrigerator?
Yes. In Florida, we were getting it at Walmart, and then they stopped having it, and then we got it at Publix. Price Cutter or Hy-Vee? Hy-Vee. We got this at Hy-Vee. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to saute and brown our gnocchi here. Got some butter going. It's nice and foamy. Everything's good with butter. So I'm going to throw that in there. Get a good layer there. I'm going to go ahead and cut up the sausage and get it ready, because this will take about 5 to 7 minutes to brown up real. This is pre-cooked, so all we're going to do is brown it and put some color on it. And then we'll also get our cheese ready, because I'm going to make a bechamel sauce. So this looks like it's got jalapenos and cheese in it. This is a new sausage. We just found it at the store just right before we started filming this. Or as our Irish counterparts would say, filming it. So I'm going to turn that way down while we grate our parm. We just want about that much parm. And then this is a Rachel Ray ingredient, nutmeg, freshly grated. Anytime you do a white sauce, she says you absolutely should put nutmeg in it. And I've tried it without the nutmeg, and it makes a huge difference. So there's that. Those are almost ready to take off the fire, so let's get some of this. The next ingredient is hot pepper cheese. We like it with the habaneros. Just cut this into small chunks. Careful. that'll be good. Something that you want to do while it's still a little bit warm, put some salt. This is it's not fleur de sel, but it is, I think it's French. We did buy fleur de sel the other day. There. All right, so now in the pot goes our sausage. Usually I cut that up a little bit finer, but that's good. So we're gonna get color on that, and we're gonna get butter, a couple more tablespoons, and we're gonna let this melt. This is chicken base, it's Mexican. This adds so much flavor. I'll melt our butter here. Everything's better with butter. If y'all could smell this, it smells delightful. And just a little color. This is what you're wanting right here. I don't know if you can see that or not, but just a nice, just a little brown. So I'm gonna go ahead and kill the fire on that. I would put mushrooms in with this. Mushrooms are good. I think we do have some green chilies. So I've got my butter. It's kind of browning, which is good. Browning gives it a little bit of more flavor. So I'm doing just a basic roux. 2 tablespoons butter, 2 tablespoons of flour. And I will just take and whisk this up. Little whiskey business. Get a little color on the flour. Cook that raw edge off of it. And then I do, even though this stuff is very salty, I do usually put a little bit of salt in it. Thank you. And I'm gonna put pepper in it. I'm using white pepper just because that's what we have handy. And plus, when you do a white sauce, you're really supposed to use white pepper so it looks all fancy. All right, so we got green chilies. I'm going to turn the fire up just a little bit, let this come up to temperature. You want it to just start simmering. You don't want to boil it, but you do not want to boil your cheese. It will break and it'll be grainy and it'll be nasty. Might taste good, but the mouthfeel won't be that great. So I'm going to go ahead and put my parm and nutmeg in and start whisking that in. It'll take that a second to melt in, and as soon as you put that in there, it starts thickening up almost immediately. Let's see if we need any kind of I think I'm going to put just a touch more of my chicken base in. I didn't need much. And the green chilies really takes it to a whole nother level. Sehr gut. Sehr gut. Okay, so now we're going to start putting our hot cheese in. Just a few cubes at a time. There we go. We don't want it boiling. All right, I'm going to go in with the rest of the cheese. And we'll see how this goes. Sometimes I put smoked hot paprika in it too. And of course it gives it another, it's not a white sauce then, it makes it more of a orange or whatever, just really slightly tinged, but gives it a whole nother flavor. Oh yeah, that's the stuff right there. So lastly, We're going to add in our meat, our sausage here. You could do hot breakfast sausage or just any kind of breakfast sausage. I've done that before. Glen Ellen, she said it was okay, but it wasn't her favorite. But we just can't get the Uncle John's Pride. I wish they would start selling it here because it's just unbeatable. Can't find anything even close to it here. With that, I'm gonna call this finished. Okay, so we decided to pair this with a tangerine beer. It's called
Cali Squeeze is the brand.
I think it's a Kansas City brewery.
I don't remember.
It doesn't matter. It's really good. Let's give this a whirl and see how this tastes. Don't know as good as Uncle John's Pride, but not bad. This tastes more like kielbasa to me. But after we get through eating, we'll come back and tell you about our giveaway. We're back. It was a very good meal. If y'all get a chance, give it a try. If you don't like it so spicy, maybe not use the habanero pepper jack cheese.
Just pepper jack or...
The big announcement. We alluded to it the other day. We just crossed the 100 subscriber mark. Actually,
Yay.
As of today, or last time I looked, we're at 110, which is a pretty big deal for us. So we decided we was going to do a giveaway to like 3 of y'all. So we've got some key tags. These are the key tags that we're doing. The EOTK is for Essence of the Keys. They are leather. We did make them. So we wanted to let y'all know we appreciate you watching and you subscribing. So in the comments, put your name. You don't have to put your whole name, just your first name, whatever. And the phrase 100,000 welcome. It doesn't have to be Cade Mille Face. If you do that, you get extra points. Doesn't mean you're going to get anything extra, but you get extra points. You get extra points. Again, nothing extra. Anyway, and we're going to choose 3 people at random. We've only got 2 of them right here, but
There's only 2 of us, so...
we're going to make it. I'm going to make some more. We will choose 3 people at random and reach out to you, and we will send you these. If you're interested in buying merch like this, let us know that too.
Yep, that can be...
I don't know if y'all aren't aware, we do have a leather company called Lock and Stock Leather. We make wallets and handbags and backpacks and stuff like that, and key tags. So we haven't really done any videos on the leather work inside. It's just we don't do a whole lot of it.
It's more hobby right now.
We do have all the machinery. We just haven't got it all set up since I moved here to SoMo, South Missouri. So anyway, 100,000 likes. 100,000 welcomes.
We would like 100,000 subscribers if you guys want to
if you
share
want to
these
out there,
videos and
share, comment. That tells
that would
YouTube
help.
that we have content that other people like, and it does help us to grow. If each one of y'all shared with 10 people and got them to subscribe, that put us at 1,000. We could start making money doing this.
Yes.
Anyway, we will see you in the next video. Thanks again for watching.
100,000 welcomes.
Cade Mille Face.